Welcome to UNIC Medical Equipment's channel. I'm your host Jessie, and today in this video, I'll introduce the UNIC X-Ray Tube MV for CT Siemens replacement. And before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to learn a bit about UNIC Medical Equipment and the company behind it. UNIC Medical Equipment is a leading provider of cutting-edge medical scanning devices, dedicated to revolutionize the field of medical imaging. As a branch of the UNIC Group Limited, a French and Chinese corporate with the headquarters in Hong Kong, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality products and service to clients worldwide. Our mission at UNIC Medical Equipment is to provide innovative OEM solutions throughout our advanced production line in China. The UNIC X-Ray Tube MV is a state-of-art, high-performance X-ray tube designed specifically to replace the Dura 202, Dura 352, Dura 422, and Dura 688 on the Siemens CT systems. It combines cutting-edge technology, making it an indispensable tool for medical diagnosis systems. At UNIC Medical Equipment, we understand the critical importance of reliable and durable medical equipment. That's why our X-ray tubes undergo rigorous testing and quality control measures, ensuring the highest level of performance and longevity. One of the most significant advantages of the UNIC X-Ray Tube MV is its cost effectiveness. We are committed to deliver the X-ray tube at a significant reduced price compared to the original Siemens model, while guaranteeing the same high level of quality and reliability. Yes, you heard it right. With the UNIC X-Ray Tube MV, you can achieve the same outstanding quality and performance as Siemens model, but at a significant lower price. This factor of affordability enables healthcare providers to optimize their budget allocations while ensuring unhindered access to cutting-edge medical imaging technology. In addition to its cost effectiveness, the UNIC X-Ray Tube MV guarantees the same high level of quality and reliability as the original Siemens tube. We prioritize delivering a product that exceeds the industry standards, ensuring accurate diagnosis and optimal patient care. Another significant aspect worth highlighting is our unwavering dedication to ensure a reliable and uninterrupted supply of UNIC X-Ray Tube MV. As a medical device supplier, we recognize the impact that product shortage can have on workflow efficiency and patient care. At UNIC Medical Equipment, we prioritize customer satisfaction by providing not only a cost-effective solution, but also reliable and readily available products. Whether you are upgrading your existing CT system or setting up a new medical facility, choosing the UNIC X-Ray Tube MV means you get exceptional quality, reliability, and availability, all at an unbeatable price. Numerous satisfied customers has already experienced the benefit of the UNIC X-Ray Tube MV and have shared their positive feedback. Join them in revolutionize medical imaging while optimizing your budget. That concludes our exploration of the remarkable features that makes UNIC X-Ray Tube MV stand out from the competition. If you are interested in learning more or having any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below or visit our website. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates in the world of medical imaging. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to serving you with our high-quality, affordable, and readily available UNIC X-Ray Tube MV.